So hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another DIY hairdo featuring the Darling Empress collection in the style Silky Straight. So straight from the pack it comes with 3 hair bundles, an 18 inches and 2 20 inches bundle. It also comes with a complimentary hair detangling spray. So I'm going to quickly run through the ponytail process and we'll be back afterwards. Okay, so now that I'm done with the wig, I spray it down with the complimentary detangling spray that it comes with. Then, next up, I attach the wig comb to my hair and then secure it with a drawstring. Now the next step is to take just a little bit from the ponytail extension and wrap it around the bun which you attach the ponytail to your hair. So now what this does is it gives the ponytail the illusion that it is sewn down to your hair as opposed to it being a detachable ponytail. Now this is from the leftover in the pack and I'm just going to use the weft to start from the back to hide the weft and then wrap it around again to also cover it up some more. Next up, I'm going to be using this gold lace string. I got it from the pack. I'm going to just wrap it around the ponytail and it will give it that oomph that it needs to take it to the next level. So right now I'm just giving the hair some finishing touches. I'm adding up edges to just give it a final look. So sorry guys, I did not realize at this point that I was not close to my mic, so you would not hear me in this clip. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. So I was giving a quick rundown of the hair and what I thought about it. So from the one pack that I got, and I used the whole 3 bundles and I had just a little bit of leftover, it gave that full look and I love the size. Just one pack did well for me. And once you use the detangling spray on it, it straightens up and has that silky feel to what it claims. It claims to be silky straight and it's actually turned out to be that way. For the price point, it is actually fair. It is quite affordable, and I think for the quality that it delivers, it's actually nice. It is a good buy in my opinion. So yeah, like I said, if you learned something, please hit the like button and also subscribe to join the family if you haven't. Okay, all right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Drop your thoughts in the So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me up until this point. If you learned something, please hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't joined the family as well. And also I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video.